Niko bone kiombekeri gikurwa ne Obokurumi ga Kenya kia EACC Kenya arikuba kegwesoke na gokwandira Emeroberio erigandete kubekwa yogochia kwanekia buno Obokurumi mbochi kurwanirwa ase kirensemo nemono ase byombe byonsi biri bya serikali abatendire bekiombekio kia EACC niko na baisokire na gwakera mbuya muno egatie byombe biri binde byekwanekia gwikirania obotuki na gokoria na kubeka umokio bokurwania esegi eyiga yokoria gosiria Obokurumi ase okwanekia ngobekere Emeroberio eremya ase gochibosio bono baro gokuro gotinira gotebonde bwensi orache kubwatwa bose kubwatranirwa n'Obokurumi nigarache kwemokerio getambo kere getindi kerichiko.
Every financial year, EACC recovers more than 4 billion Kenya shillings worth of stolen assets. The budget for EACC is slightly below that, slightly below 4 billion. So you can understand clearly that actually we are actually recovering more than we are spending. That by itself, in our assessment, is an achievement. We also have every year in excess of 150, 170 files, which we forward to the DPP for prosecution. As you understand, the DPP is the one who has the powers to prosecute. So that itself is an achievement. We also have what we call the disruptions of assets that are just about to be stolen. Through our efforts, we're also in excess of about 5 billion Kenya shillings that we stop, from being stolen because of our engagement.
We must not be afraid to raise our voices when we see things happening. We must not be afraid to raise our voices when we are unhappy with situations. And I believe our leadership should be in a position to listen to those voices and see what needs to be done.
Yes.